Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how we can generate a form using AI in FormEster, a free Google Forms alternative. So let's log into FormEster, then select Create New Form. Here, let's start with AI and select Create Form with AI. Next, enter a prompt to generate a job application form for a designer position. Let's click on Generate Form. So as you can see, FormEster has created a designer application form over here. So we have all the personal details, the design experience, portfolio with multiple pages as well. Also the availability details, the application signature, and of course, you can remove the part you want. And you can also add elements as you can see here in Final. You can publish it, copy the link, and share it. You can find the link of the website if you want to give it a try. Now the pricing, FormEster has already 4 plans for you. First one is free, which is really good with 10 forms, 100 response per month, and much more. Also the personal plan for individuals, next business plan, and finally company's plan. And that's all. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.